It's
Uh, Nice to meet you, sir.
nice to meet you too, brother.
Basically, I am working in here, Dubai security guard.
Yeah,
Yeah, I am studied in diploma in Polytechnic.
Polytechnic. You study diploma in Polytechnic.
Yeah, 3 years completed, and family problems. I disconnected this BTech. You know BTech,
Yeah. Yes, I know BTech. Bachelor in what
Bachelor
is
Technical
the
EC,
huh?
EC, Electronic and Communication Engineering.
Bachelor in electronic.
No, BTech, Bachelor of Technology.
Well, the most of the abbreviation I really don't understand. I
Uh,
bachelor. Okay, no problem. Come on.
uh,
Okay.
Now I am working in the security guard in Dubai.
Yeah.
Yeah, most of people out of country people coming, they speak in English. You know,
Yeah.
yeah, my writing skills, everything is skill, but they telling times my automatically my reply is very poor, very poor. That you know, uh, I am understanding everything. What he say, he say, what he say, I am understanding, but I am reply timing. This confuse is coming. What I am say like that coming. That's why I am see so many videos in English. Your classes.
Mm-hmm.
You understanding my questions?
Yeah. Understand. Keep talking, brother. Keep talking. I
Uh,
understand.
Here most of out
Don't
of
shake the camera. Don't shake the camera. Keep straight. Yeah. Keep like
yeah
that. Okay. Now, yeah. Tell me now.
yeah. That's why I call to you.
Yes, brother. That's good. That's good.
Uh, because here most of people coming for out of countries like worldwide coming in Dubai.
Mm-hmm.
Worldwide people coming, they speaking different accent, but my I am understanding, but the speaking when I am reply timing, they also catching what I am say, they also catching. I am speaking is not fluently. That is problem, my problem. How
Yeah.
I am how I overcome this problem.
Well, you need to practice, brother. You need to practice. You need to practice more and more. You need to understand the fundamental of a basic. You need to understand the fundamental of a grammar. You need to
Yeah,
understand, first of all. You need to understand. You need to be curious about something, about the English language. You need to read some. I'm going to tell you, read first of all, read something. So you can
yeah,
understand the language. You can understand the language. Read something first of all. I'm going to tell you.
yeah. I am reading, but I am reading, writing, everything done. But when I am speaking, not coming fluently. This I see. My native place is Telangana. Most of speaking in Telugu language. I am thinking sometimes this English cultural speaking automatically English is coming. But now I am try to English speaking English here.
Mm. Yeah, this is good time for you. You can learn now. You are surrounded with the English native speaker. You don't need to find anybody to practice.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's good
yeah. That is
opportunity for you. Yeah.
that's
So,
advantage.
yeah, this is your advantage.
Yeah.
So tell me more about brother. Tell me more. What's your name first of all? You didn't tell me your name.
My name is Naresh.
Yeah, Naresh.
Yes.
Lots of people wants to come Dubai. You can share your suggestion related to Dubai, whether its work is good or not, people are good or not, the salary is sufficient or not. You can tell them like that.
Yeah, Dubai is a basically good country, but
Mm,
nowadays this Corona affected so many industries field like tourism, like restaurant, every this flights, everything is affected this Corona. Most of people
mm.
so many videos in English. So I interact more people, but not fluently coming. That is my problem. I think I'm not the problem. Hello.
This is not a problem. This is a situation. You can handle it.
Yeah, yeah.
It take time. Fluency will come. It take time, brother. It take time.
It take time, sir. Yeah, sir. You say this is right word, but I saw so many videos in some English institute. They say 45 days you can learn English. It's not true. 45 days. It's not true.
Yeah, yeah.
They
You
say
can learn.
and
You
is
Yeah. You can learn just like that. Good morning. Good
so
afternoon. How are you?
you
Something like that.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, 10 months is like English is coming fluently.
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh, Tell me about yourself, sir.
Yeah, I'm a. You know very well. I am. A, who am I? You know very well. Who am I?
I know, I know you. Your what is your name? What is your working? I know, but working is does not matter, sir. Does not matter for work.
Yeah, it doesn't matter for me.
Doesn't for everyone. Everyone. Talent is different. Work is different. Some situations coming like what happened.
Yeah, yeah. I see.
Uh, how you speak fluently, sir?
Well,
How you learn English? How to speak in fluently?
well, practice, brother. Just a practice only. Nothing else. Just practice. Do practice all
Uh,
the time. Practice makes man
because
perfect.
yeah, because your accent is different, like Americans, like UK. That your accent, but so many Indians accent is different. Your accent is
Hmm.
different.
Yeah,
That's why I'm
yeah.
asking
I
how you how
Yeah,
you
yeah.
le- how it is possible? How it is possible?
It's possible, brother. It's possible. Nothing can impossible. You know,
Yeah,
everything is possible. Impossible is nothing.
yeah.
Mm. Just I'm gonna tell you one thing. Just keep reading, keep practice. You will be fluent in English soon, inshallah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, brother. Then, Mister. See you, inshallah. Naresh
See you next.
Masan. See
Yes, sir.
you.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Give
Take
me
care then.
more opportunity. Okay.
Inshallah, I'll try my best, brother.
Yeah. You
Okay.
because you I this I'm not subscribed to Cambly, but it's most expensive. This is good.
Don't
Good.
subscribe.
You encourage. Yeah, I am not subscribed, but I am see like your videos. You are encouraged for more poor people, like poor people who not subscribe Cambly. You are help to people. Okay.
Yes, 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 yes.
God help you, Allah help you for this. Allah help you. You help poor people who not subscribe Cambly, who not able to speak English. This is work is different. You know, talent. Some people talent more talented, but they not speak English. This is situation coming, uh, problem coming. That's why
Yes, yes, yes.
you encourage more and more people for like
Yeah.
God help.
I'm trying. Inshallah, I'm trying my best, brother. I'm trying my best to help more and more and more people.
Yeah, because they are learning more English. They never forget you because they are some he telling this is happening. This Harip sir told me like this. You learn English like saying.
Mm, yeah.
Okay, brother, you have give more chance to other people also. Okay,
Inshallah. Thank you,
yeah,
Naresh. Thanks for calling, brother. God bless you.
okay,
Bye.
well,
Bye.
okay, boss.